Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my client is me. That's right, I'm attempting to cut my own hair again. The final shot of this haircut you guys already know I saved for last, so make sure that you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments are going to help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now, before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. All right, guys, let's begin.
I like to stick with a number 1 fade. So what I'm doing here is I'm using the 380 ACP by Caliber with the number 1 detachable guard. And this is how I usually cut my hair. I don't usually use any mirrors or anything like that. I really just find it a lot easier to do it this way. Try it for yourself and see if you like it. Attach the 8 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this guard. When you're done passing through the section, close the blade and then repeat. Here, I'm passing through my entire head. But when I'm finished, I'm just going to close it like this and repeat. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach the 7 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through whatever sections you need to pass through, but when you're finished, close the blade and repeat. Attach the 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through whatever sections you need to pass through, then close the blade and repeat. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through your sections, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through your sections, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through your sections, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through your sections, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through your sections, close the blade, and repeat the same step, but try to avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through whatever sections you need to pass through, close the blade, and repeat. This step should finalize the blend. The next step is to create the lineup. For this step, you'll need a mirror. Also, for this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The next step for me is to fade out the back, because the back of my hair grows in all different directions, so this is best for me. The way that I do this is that I extend the blade on my clipper all the way, and each time I pass through the section in the back, I tap the blade just a little bit to close it, and I continue to do this until the back has been completely faded out. Watch closely. Oh, and for this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. On a side note, I did this on both sides, but I just didn't show it here. Well guys, I'm pretty sure your self haircut looks better than mine. This was my attempt, and I think I did alright. Not so bad. It's not as good as one of the guys in the shop would have done it, but it'll pass. At least for now. But thank you for watching this tutorial. All of the machines, the clippers, and the trimmers in this video have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use my discount code 555.